going to have a session online. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you understand it with me. Today's session is about similarity in right triangles. Okay? We talked about right triangles before. If you remember, what is the right triangle? If I have like this, it's A, B, C. If it's A, B, C, and this right triangle, that means this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. When I'm going to get the similarity, I must write the vertices of the triangle exactly by order. So here I'm going to always start with the right angle triangle. Why? Because it will lead you to all over the triangle. Let's see what's that mean? Triangle A, we're going to start with the right triangle, which is B. Triangle B, C, A. Okay, let's make perpendicular to the hypotenuse, and this is called D. I said this is the first triangle, which is the big one, ABC, or BCA, because I start from the right angle. I want to see the right triangle, which is smaller here. It's similar to triangle. Let's start from the right angle here. What's the right angle here? It's D. And look here, C is common. C is common between the big triangle and the small triangle here. So I'm going to take C after this. Then I said what? Let's repeat it. D, C, and what's the last vertex? It's B. Excellent. So now the triangle BCA, which is the big one, is similar to the small one, which is D. Why I start with D? Because I'm leading my similarity from the right triangle, from the vertex of the right triangle. Okay? Look, I have another triangle in the other side. Do you see this? The upper one? Okay. Let's see. It's similar to. We're going to start with the right angle, which is D. Very good. D. Okay. I have here C, but here there is no C. Which triangle I'm going to take? I have the A, okay? A is common. So A is the third letter. A is the third letter. So what about the second letter? I have D and B. So B is the second letter. So now we knew how to order the vertices to get the similarity statement. How to get it again? I'm going to start with the right angle. Which is B, C, A. Then in the other triangle, start with the right angle, which is D. And the C is common, so I'm going to use C. Then the third letter, which is B. And the triangle which is up, I'm going also to start with the right angle with D. Okay, and I don't know the second letter, leave it now. Then get the common letter, which is A. It's the third one. Then what remains? It remains the third vertices. Okay, let's see the exercise here in your book and try to solve it. I'm going to solve number 1. Okay, here we're going to take the same rule here. I'm going to take the whole triangle, the big one, which is triangle. It's okay. I'm going to triangle starting with the right angle. It is L. Very good. Then K starting with M. M is the right angle, so M. And I have a K is a common, so it's K. And the third letter is L. Very good. Do I have a third triangle here? Yes. The smaller one on this side, in the left side. So similar to the triangle, we're going to start with the right angle, which is M. Very good. M. What's common? You're saying that the J is common. So I'll write it away here and L in the middle. Okay, like what we said in the other exercise. Very good. So you can solve number 2 and 3 and see if you can do it like what we said here. Another thing we're going to take in this lesson, the geometric mean. The geometric mean. Let's talk about geometric means first. If I have 4 I have what? Wait, just wait. If I have 3, let's start with 3, and 75. And I'm going to get the geometric mean. That means I'm going to make them times 3 times 75, then get the square root of them. The square root of them. Okay, so I'm going to get the square root of 255, so it will be 15. This is the geometric mean. This is the geometric mean. So if he gives me 2 numbers and he tells me to get the geometric mean, what I'm going to do, I will multiply the 2 numbers and get the square root of them. I'm going to multiply the 2 numbers and get the square root of them. Okay, that's very nice. Let's returning back to your exercise. Of course, we can solve this. Like we said, we're going to get the square root of 3 times 75, which is equal 15. Okay, that's nice. Let's see the other exercise here. We have a right angle triangle, and he gives you numbers. This is 5 and this is 7, and he tells you to find the x. This is the x. And this is the y, and this is the z, and this is 5, and this is 7. How to get it? Let's think. First, we're going to make a ratio. Look, I'm going to explain it in another page. Here, if I have a right angle triangle like this, which is A, B, C, okay, and another right angle here, D. Let's see. If I want this, which is X, and this is Y, and this is Z, what's going to be? X will be CD, X power 2, of course. You're going to use it from Pythagoras theory that we took before. X power 2 equals CD times DB. And if you want the X, so you're going to get the square root of CD times BD. Again, if I want the middle here, I'm going to take this times that. If I want the middle, square root of this side times that side. Okay? Time. Okay. Let's take another. If I want to get the A here, how to get it? A will be, or A power 2 will be the side which is beside it, the part which is beside this side, which is ZB. This will be power 2. I'm going to take the closest side, which is ZB, times the whole one, ZY. So if I want A without power 2, I'm going to get the square root of ZB times ZY. Okay? Okay. So take care of this. If I want this side, I will take the closest part, then the whole side. So what if I want the other side? What if I want this? Let it CB or C. Let's say it's C. Okay, how to get it? Of course, I said what? Take the closest part, then all part. So C equal the square root. Square root of what? Here it's B. So YB times YZ. YZ. If you understand this, you're going to solve this exercise with me now. Here, if I want the x, I want to get the two parts, so x equals square root of 5 times 7. Okay? Okay, let's see. What if I want that? Y. What if I want y? Y equals the closest part, which is 5, square root of course, 5 times the whole side. This is 5 and this is 7, so the whole side is 12. Okay? Okay, now what if I need Z? I need Z. If I want Z, what we are going to do, the square root of the side which is closest to the Z, which is 7, times the whole side, which is 12. Okay, and then calculate it. Okay. This is for now. Thank you very much for your concern. Try to solve exercises. See you next lesson. Thank you.